Oh, hi everybody. Today I'm going to share my skincare routine. What I generally do after I apply makeup or before I go to bed. What do I apply? It's very basic, very simple. Every day I do this. Nothing extra products which is newly in the market. I don't. What your skin loves, please stick to that. Never go for anything new to experiment if at all you're not used to it. Anyway, let's go. First thing I'm going to do in my skincare is going to take out my makeup. I always love to fill my makeup remover in my spray bottle, which actually breaks down your makeup. When you spray, you will actually see my makeup just melts automatically, and it really feels it it makes it easy for you to take out makeup. So let's start. So I'm going to spray my makeup remover. Generously I'm going to spray, and you can see the difference. The makeup is breaking by itself and it's melting, so that it makes it easy for your makeup to be removed. See, you can see this one swipe and your makeup comes out very easily. Nothing that you need to do anything. After once cleaning your face fully, if required, use more makeup remover. And for eye makeup, I'm going to use a cotton here. For eye makeup, I generally use Maybelline eye and lip makeup remover. It's actually very good, and you can see how much I have used it. I use on regular basis. This has a little bit of oil in it, so it easily takes down all your waterproof makeup very easily. It's a very pro tip you can actually note down if you want. It is actually a very good makeup remover from Maybelline. Just with one swipe you can see a lot of makeup coming out. So I'm going to keep it on my eye, you can see it, and leave it for a few seconds like this. You can see how easily it takes out everything with one swipe. It's I love this product, so you can give a try. I'm doing the same thing with my another eye. Don't mind, I'm just sitting and standing because I'm removing my makeup and there's a lot of thing here. So once you're done, you can see it easily takes out everything with one swipe. It's an amazing product. Please do give a try and let me know in the comments below if you like this product or if you're using this product. You can see my lipstick also comes out very easily with this. And once you have cleaned your face with makeup remover, see that whatever your eyelashes or your mascara which is on your eyelashes doesn't come out very easily, and you seem to rub it. I always use a Vaseline, just rub it on my eyes and give a massage to it. It's let it soak. You can use a coconut oil instead if you're not used to Vaseline. You can see the product coming easily without even rubbing. Just give a massage, gentle massage to your eyes, and the product comes out very easily. You can see. So after this you can just go wash your face with the cleanser, and then we are going to do our next step of skincare. So after this I'm going to wash my face with a makeup with a cleanser. I'll come back. Once done washing your face, let it be, just don't completely dry your face, just pat dry it and let that water be there. And after this, see that you use a very good toner to close all your pores and clean your face with a cleanser, with a deep cleanser, so that all your foundation or any extra kajal or mascara which is there, it comes out very easily. So now we are going to use a toner. Just massage it little bit so that it seeps inside your skin. Toner helps to tighten your pores, because as you washed your face, it helps in closing your pores. It gives a very fresh feeling. I love this toner. Is it gives a very minty feeling. After this, with this damp face itself, I'm going to use my Pond's moisturizer. It's a super gel based, for good for oily skin. I'm going to just, this is what I use for my day and night skincare, and nothing. If at all it's day, I just add on with a sunscreen, but with night I just use my moisturizer and I am done. That's it, nothing more than this. Just apply it on your damp face itself so that it seeps in very well, and give a massage. And what is left, please don't forget your neck and your hand, because if you are doing this to feel young, to look young as days pass by, same way your hands also, see that it doesn't, don't waste the product. It helps in not, your hands will get wrinkles, so it helps in making your skin and your hands look young. See, it's getting dried by itself. And after this, I will use my Vaseline again for my lips, because I have used lipsticks. I keep using on regular basis. Like, share, subscribe. I hope this helps.